Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to talk about the CurrentBody Acne Pen that will help you with your current breakouts and even can stop the breakouts on its tracks. On this video, I'm going to show you my before and afters and my thoughts about it. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. If you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check all the timestamps below and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. So now let's get to it. I have lots of videos talking about my struggles with acne. I even had a really bad breakout that I still have a scar from it that I end up in the hospital because of an acne. So I'll leave that in the description box below if you want to know my history with acne, because I know that my skin is looking pretty good right now, but it's because I take care of it. And recently, I had a breakout coming on my lips. And when I have those breakouts, they're painful and they last forever. But I was able to catch it on its tracks and I used the pen, and overnight my acne was gone, which I'm going to start by before and afters so you can understand a little bit what this pen does, and then I'm going to go into the technology and my experience using it. From the photo, you can see that I had the bump starting, and when that starts, if I don't do anything about it, it becomes a really big bump, and I hate it around my lips because it's so painful. And I used the pen right away, and these are my results. The acne stopped on its tracks, which was amazing, and it really works. I was able to stop the acne on its tracks, but if you have an active breakout, you should definitely use this pen at least daily until the acne goes away, because the settings on this pen help to prevent acne, help with bacteria, and also help heal it. So now I'm going to talk about the technology of this pen and how to use it. This pen uses a combination of two types of LED lights. And LED lights is a type of light that penetrates your skin at different levels to help with acne, help with healing. And I love that this pen combines two types of LED lights. It uses both red and blue LED lights. It has red at 630 nanometers. Red LED light is healing and also helps to fight redness and calm inflammation. And blue at 415 nanometers. Blue LED light is anti-inflammatory. It also helps to kill acne bacteria. The advantage of using both red and blue light is that it's 36% more powerful than just using blue light alone. It improves the skin barrier, it suppresses the oil production, and improves blemishes by more than 90% in just 2 weeks. Make sure you use it on a fully cleansed face, free of any makeup or any serums or skincare. You can apply your skincare after you're done with your treatment, but for the treatment, make sure your skin is completely clean. To turn it on, you press and hold the power button and hold it gently on top of your acne for 3 minutes. It is going to beep to let you know that 3 minutes is completed. And that sound indicates to change the area because it has been 3 minutes. And you can either move to another spot that you have acne, or you can press and hold the power button again to turn it off. The pen will also turn off automatically after 15 minutes. The pen also has this very light vibration and is very comfortable. You can use it 3 to 5 times a week, and if used consistently, you should see in 2 weeks a 90% improvement on your acne. Also check this table to see if the pen can fit into your skincare routine. For example, the green column means things are beneficial to use it with the pen, and you can use this type of skincare after you're done using your pen. It works well with hyaluronic acid, peptides, stem cells, growth factors, beta-glucan, as well as niacinamide. But make sure to use the skincare after you complete your treatment. The orange column means things that you have to use it with caution, meaning to try to use at different times that you use the pen. For example, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, lactic acid, and mandelic acid is advisable to use different times than you use the pen. For example, if you use a vitamin A in the evening, it's best to use the pen in the morning. That way you're not using right after you do your treatment. The red column are things to avoid to use in conjunction of the pen. You can use these items on the days that you're not using the pen, but not on the same day that you use the pen, because it can cause extra dryness or even some reaction. But this also varies from people and skin types, but it's just something to keep in mind. My final thought is that the pen does work. Just keep in mind that you have to hold it on each area for 3 minutes. So I find that it works best if you have an occasional breakout or few breakouts on your face that you want to treat. But if you have a full face of acne, it might be beneficial to get a panel or a face mask. And CurrentBody also has a lot of great products that can address full face acne and even body acne. And I'll leave the links on the description box below if you want to check them out. But I do love this pen. It does work. And I also love that it has a pretty affordable price point. So I highly recommend. If you're interested on this pen, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links. And let me know if you have any questions. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks CurrentBody for sponsoring this video. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.